You ever hear your thoughts start talking back? Nah, that ain't normal. That's the carnival waking up inside your skull. I'm walking through a house that forgot how to exist. Walls keep rearranging every time I blink my wrist. Paint drips, whispers saying don't look away, but the mirrors keep melting when I beg them to stay. Got shadows in the ceiling doing backflips slow, and my TV just prayed like it already knows. The fridge opened up like a mouthful of tea said, "We've been waiting for you underneath." My name got carved in the air by the dark. Now every breath I take leaves a bite mark spark. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Ain't no escape when the carnival calls. Demonica Quinn watches everything fall. I see my reflection start arguing with me. Said you ain't real, you just what they wanna see. Then the glass cracked open like a mouth in heat and swallow my silence down crooked teeth. The microwave talking in a government code. Run, 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 every second it loads. Lights flicker Morse like they pray in pain, and the ceiling starts crying electric rain. Got vague thoughts but they bubbling black. Every sip I take brings the demons back. You hear it? It's under the floor. It's inside the static. It's inside the air. In the hall where the lost mind scream and reality folds like a broken wet dream. Got stitches in my thoughts but they keep unsuing. Every fear I bury keeps growing and growing. The walls got faces that wink when I cry, and the air smells like goodbye, goodbye. I step through a portal in my own damn skull. Now I'm laughing with demons feeling empty and full. They cheer when I bleed, they applaud when I break. Every piece of my sanity bends and shakes. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Demonica Quinn in the static domain. We don't die here, we just change pain. I seen the moon blink twice and forget the sky. Stars started bleeding like they learned to lie. Got a voice in my ribs that don't belong, and it sings me chaos like a funeral song. The carnival rides start spinning on their own, and they whisper my secrets in a broken tone. Every memory I had gets chewed then spat by the laughing dark that sits in my hat. I don't run from it, I let it in, 'cause the monster I fear is the skin I'm in. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Welcome to the night of the talking chainsaw. Demonica Quinn, queen of the cracked mind show. When the carnival opens, there's nowhere to go. See you next night.